Hi, I'm Roy, and today I'm going to tell you the difference between two words that are often confused: hear and listen. Hear is the verb we use to talk about the ability. It doesn't mean that we want to hear something. It's about sounds coming to our ears. I can hear the air conditioning. It doesn't mean that I want to hear it, but I can. The verb listen is often followed by the preposition to. We use this verb when we're paying attention or focusing on sounds. I hope you're listening to me. That means I hope you're paying attention. Compare these two sentences. I can hear some music somewhere. I am listening to some music. I'm listening to a song that I want to listen to. Anyway, I've got to go. I can hear my boss calling me.